In a significant step toward transforming frontline warfare, the U.S. Army recently conducted live-fire tests using drones equipped to deploy grenades over the Grafenwehr training area in Germany. This trial, which combined a Skydio X10D drone with a new, Audible, release device from the Army's Combat Capabilities Development Command, DEVCOM, signals a major advancement in the tactical deployment of small unmanned aerial systems, SUAS, on the battlefield. The tests were part of an effort to field affordable, quickly adaptable drone-based weapons systems inspired by recent battlefield innovations, particularly those seen in Ukraine. The new setup enables a quadcopter, originally designed for commercial use, to drop live M67 fragmentation grenades with precision. The Audible mechanism activates the grenade in mid-air by remotely pulling the safety pin, offering an agile, close-range strike option against enemy positions. Units from the 278th Armored Cavalry Regiment and the 173rd Airborne Brigade participated in the field evaluations, which demonstrated how 3D printed components can rapidly transform civilian tech into lethal military tools. Soldiers conducted multiple live trials, validating the utility of modular drone systems in real combat scenarios. The ability to rapidly prototype and replace components on-site reflects a fundamental shift toward fast-cycle innovation within the Army. This new approach sharply contrasts with the traditionally expensive and complex weaponized drone platforms. Rather than relying on high-end, long-range loitering munitions, the Army's system embraces simplicity and scale. The Skydio X10D, when paired with the Audible dropper, becomes an inexpensive precision weapon, offering soldiers on the ground a powerful tool that requires no custom munitions or extensive training to operate. Initial tests revealed some limitations, such as damage to the plastic components after repeated use. However, engineers quickly designed replacements using 3D printing technology, showcasing the Army's evolving doctrine of rapid field repair and deployment. This experimental framework, where frontline troops provide immediate feedback to developers, marks a departure from slower, centralized acquisition models. The broader strategic implications of these experiments are already being felt. In contested environments, particularly urban or fortified zones, these drone systems offer a means to engage targets with reduced risk to personnel. Their short range makes them ideal for operations at the squad or platoon level, where mobility and responsiveness are key. Importantly, this system allows forces to use standard-issue grenades, bypassing the need for specialized drone ordnance. Deploying such drone systems in Europe not only enhances U.S. combat readiness but also strengthens NATO's deterrence posture. These innovations are likely to spread across Allied forces, setting the stage for broader adoption of low-cost, adaptable drone tactics throughout NATO formations. The success of the trials in Germany suggests that similar technologies may soon become standard in infantry operations across multiple global theaters. As warfare becomes more dynamic and decentralized, tools like the Skydio X10D Audible combination are redefining what small units can achieve. These experiments are more than just tests, they represent the early stages of a shift in modern combat, where adaptable, soldier-driven technology solutions are shaping the battlefield of tomorrow.